Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suldia, student ID number H124224. I'm from the English Language Education Program, West Sulawesi University. What is phonemes? A phoneme is a unit of a sound in a speech. A phoneme doesn't have any inherent meaning by itself, but when you put phonemes together, they can make words. Think of baby adults say to get a baby to say his or her first word. They often coax him or her to sound of the beginning of a word by repeating that sound or phoneme over and over by saying something like for mommy. The sound often written as a ma sound is an example for a phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound within a spoken word. The word comes from Greek word phonema, which means sounds. Letters are a code of symbols that spell phonemes in words. When we read, we translate the symbol into sound, and thus we decode words. There are 44 phonemes in English in the standard British model, each one representing a different sound a person can make, since there are only 26 letters in the alphabet. Sometimes letter combinations need to be used to make a phoneme. A letter can also represent different phonemes from A to Z. Phoneme segmentation. In studying speech, we divide this stream into small pieces that we call segments. You can segment or break apart any words to recognize the sound or phonemes in that word. For example, if you say the word fun, you will hear that the or der sound or phonemes in that fun. If we put one of the 20 vowels in the place of one of the others, we can change the meaning of a word. For example, if we substitute EI for E in the word bed, we get a different word bad. The case of the two slightly different ways of pronouncing that we regard the same sound, we usually find that if we substitute one for the other, a change in the meaning of a word does not result. For example, if we substitute a more open vowel, cardinal vowel number 4, I, from the bed, the word is the hard as a bed. In the alphabet, we have 5 letters that are called vowels: I, E, O, U. If we choose the right context, we can show how substituting one letter for another will change meaning. Thus, with letter P before and letter T after the vowel letter, we get the 54 spell pat, pit, pot, put, each of which has a different meaning. We can do the same with sound. If we look at the short vowels, we can see how substituting one for another in between the polysuffix P and give us 6 different words as follows, giving and spelling on the left: pit, pit, pat, pit. Minimal part is a part of words that vary by only a single sound, usually meaning sounds that may confuse English learners, like that V and V in a fun and fun, or the E and E in the dash and this. Preparation one can be substituted for the other without changing the meaning. The two relations are said to be in preparation allophones. The variant of the same phoneme is called allophones. Example: K in the word kite is KH and sky is K. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.